But if you have new construction in your market, I would go tour every freaking house in your market and create get your phone. Most of them now, especially if you have an updated phone, have even I think the iPhone 13 mini even has the little motors on the inside of the camera. So it's stabilization. But get your phone, go do a walkthrough. Hey, today we're walking through XYZ house. It's worth this much in this particular neighborhood, this many square feet, blah, 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 whatever you're going to say. Cool. Walkthrough, right? Practice that, do 10 houses, and then you're just going to get used to talking on video, right? And then once you're used to doing that, guess what? Now you can start stepping up. Or you don't even have to put your face on it if you don't want to in the beginning, but put your voice on it so people can hear what your voice is like. And that is one of the most popular Instagram short channels out there right now. And they're so packed with people interested in houses that they have to post about, hey, we'll get back to you. That's how popular they are, right? And so those of you who are looking for an idea, there's an idea for you.
Joseph, I'm glad you mentioned that, because this is the first time breaking news flash. Like, this is we're breaking news right here. This is the first time that we're ever going to do this on this podcast. So as an incentive for you to give us a 5-star review and going over to YouTube, I'm actually going to do a screen share.
Oh, wow.
I'm going to show, I know it's a pretty big deal right now. We've never done this. The reason I say this is because, or we're going to do this right now, is because Joseph isn't just talking theory, because it's an idea, obviously. However, this works, and we're going to prove it to you right now by typing in 200K new home. And on the screen, what you're going to see is your boy over here in Dallas Fort Worth real estate that has 51,000 views on the exact video that Joseph just said. The exact video that Joseph just said. I'm not going to play it here because it's awful. It's terrible. However, it was me literally getting out of my car, going to a new construction site, and me narrating what I was seeing. It's the exact same thing I would have done, actually even easier, exact same thing that I would have done had I had some clients with me. Mm-hmm. Right. So this, and again, sorry if you're on the podcast, but come over here to YouTube, subscribe and check it out. This 5-minute video of me going from the street into the front of the home and then touring the home, which is about 1,800 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 2 bath, and it's a good little home. What does a 200K new home look like? Folks, this works. Absolutely works.
And that was how many years ago, Jaime?
This was over 2 years ago at this point. It says 2 years. Let's see if I can stop it right before it plays, because it's just so bad. May 5th of 2009. So 2.5 years ago.
2019.
I'm sorry, 19. You're right.
So here's the point. So that was 2019. We're going into 2022. And what everybody needs to understand is this still works, and you can create short videos. Not only that, you can do this video, go back, and then do your voice over, right? And then match those two things up in iMovie or whatever free software you have. And you can absolutely blow up if you go tour every freaking house. And by the way, you can go next door and say, here's what a $200,000 to $1,000 house looks like. Here's what a $202,000 house looks like, right? And so once you get used to doing that, you will really, really start to crush it.